Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, there's a very impromptu video. I didn't actually plan this at all. I just went to the mall and got the phone, and here we are. So in today's video, as you may have guessed from the title, there's going to be my unboxing of the new iPhone 12. I posted on my community page that I'm actually selling my iPhone SE. It's because I am upgrading my phone to iPhone 12. So originally I wanted to get the iPhone 12 Pro, but anyway, let me just tell you guys what happened, why I got the iPhone 12 instead of the iPhone 12 Pro. So without further ado, let's get started. I am really trying to get this video done because I am trying to film when we have a light on. If you guys didn't know, I live in Canada, so it's currently winter here, which means that we don't get a lot of daylight. Let's get started. So this is the iPhone 12. This is what it looks like. I know a lot of you may have seen this from like millions and millions of videos, but I just kind of wanted to share with you guys the iPhone 12. I know a lot of you are curious. Yeah, so here it is. So this is what the packaging looks like. I took off the plastic cover because when I purchased this, of course they have to see if the phone is working, so that's why this doesn't have a plastic cover. To be honest with you, I haven't watched any iPhone 12 unboxing at all. This just came as a surprise for me. I didn't really like plan to upgrade my phone, but it just so happened that someone was willing to purchase my iPhone SE, so I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna upgrade my phone today. So that's what I did. I don't know what's included because I haven't really watched any unboxing, but this is what the packaging looks like compared to the iPhone SE. This is like really slim. I know for a fact that this doesn't have like the socket. That's what I know. But anyway, let's open this, and this is what it looks like. I know, what a shocker. I got another white phone. So this is what the iPhone 12 looks like. I'm not sure if you can see it because of the light. I do have an artificial ring light right here, and it's pretty bright outside, but this is what it looks like. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so inside the charger wire right here, and I didn't know that this doesn't have an earphone, which sucks because that means I need to purchase an earphone as well, but that's not like a big deal. But for a price, I would honestly, I was expecting it to at least have an earphone, but this does not have an earphone, so that's that. Oh, and it's a lot bigger than the iPhone SE. I guess they changed like the plastic cover and they made it into like a paper thing. So let me open this one. Ta-da! So this is what the iPhone 12 looks like. As you can see, and at the sides is obviously it's flat, I guess. I think that's like the major thing that they change about the look of the iPhone 12, but honestly this just looks exactly like the iPhone 11. Okay, exactly like it. So this is that. Of course, I do have my iPhone SE to compare it with. So this is my iPhone SE, and this is the new iPhone 12. As you can see, like the size of it is like super duper big. I think this is kind of a little bit just bigger than the iPhone 12 mini, but when it comes to like the iPhone 12, not only like the length is different, but also like the weight is also different. As you can see, the iPhone 12 is a lot bigger in size in general. At first I was like very concerned about it because my hands are small, you guys. But to be honest with you, because of, I think, with the way that they designed this phone with like a flatter edge, it's a lot easier to hold or to carry. Also, what I know about the iPhone 12 is that they made sure that like the case itself or the body itself is very like scratch proof, or things like, oh, sorry, my husband is calling me, so hold on. Hello, bye, love you. That's a little commercial for you guys. Anyway, so I'm so excited to open this, and it is my very first time using this kind of phone, because if you guys have watched my previous unboxing of the iPhone SE, one of the main reasons why I decided to get the iPhone SE is because of the touch button right here. If you could see that, I need that in my life. It's just because I'm so used to it. That's why I wanted to have like a home button. But obviously with the new iPhone 12, I don't have that, but that's okay. I'm gonna learn, you guys. But anyway, let's get started. I'm just gonna quickly open this and transfer my files and whatnot, same as what I did with the iPhone. It's opening. There you go. Hello, you can see what's in front of me, which is mountains of snow. But anyway, it just says hello. I know you can see this flashy red right here. I know a lot of you are asking what that is. It's just because it's the camera, you guys. It's the infrared, but in person you can't really tell that it's blinking. As you can see, as soon as I open this, just like when I unboxed my iPhone SE, just gonna set this up, you guys. All right, you guys, so it says to hold your camera, and then this shows, obviously this is just the normal thing that you do when you transfer an old file to the new iPhone. So I'm just gonna quickly transfer all of my files onto my new phone. So I'm doing that right now. So as you can see, it is transferring. So it just says it may take a few minutes to transfer, but yeah, I'm just gonna wait you guys for all of my files to transfer to the new phone, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so right now I'm just trying to set up my Face ID. So my Face ID is done, so that's that. I also have to set up, of course, my Apple Watch, so that's that. Okay, so it is asking me to download the new iOS 14.2. It is a lot bigger, but to be honest with you guys, this is so much lighter for some reason. I don't know why, but compared to the iPhone SE, this has a weight to it. This one is so light. That's weird, because considering that this is like a lot bigger in size, this one is just lighter. So while I'm waiting for this to download, I'm just gonna share you guys what happened, why I opted for the iPhone 12. So what happened was, I went to the store to pick up the new iPhone 12 Pro in gold, because I really like the gold color, especially like the sides of it is like shiny. I went there for the iPhone 12 Pro. They didn't have it, you guys. For some reason, it just sold out anywhere in Canada, I guess. So I bought this one from Bell, but for some reason they didn't have any iPhone 12 Pro at all. Anyway, you guys, if you hear a loud noise in the background, that's because our elevator in this building is having its maintenance, so that's that. Anyway, so that's what happened. They didn't have any iPhone 12 Pro, you guys. It's sold out. In any other colors, they didn't have anything at all. It was sold out completely. So I mean, I could probably like wait on it for about 2 weeks once they have it in store again, because they said that it's gonna be around two to 3 weeks before they finally have enough stock again for the iPhone 12 Pro. But because someone wants to buy my iPhone SE tomorrow, I need the phone right now, so that's what happened. So I opted for the iPhone 12 64 gigabyte. I know it's 64 gigabytes. I was gonna get the 128 gig because it was just like $75 to get the iPhone 12 with 128 gigabytes, but they didn't have it in white color. They only have it in red and black. I wanted white or a gold or something like that, but if it's like a flat black, I don't think I can deal with it. That's why I said, okay, I'm just gonna get the iPhone 12 in white in 64 gig, and I'm just gonna purchase the iCloud, which to me, when I think about it, iCloud, for 50 gigabytes of iCloud, I just have to pay $1.23 a month for another 50 gig, whereas if I purchase the phone or the 128 gig, it's gonna cost me $75. So but yeah, that's the short story why I got the iPhone 12 instead of the 12 Pro. In saying that, the reason why I decided to upgrade my phone to iPhone 12, it's because, you guys, honestly, it's the battery. It's the battery with the iPhone SE that's really just annoyed me so much with the iPhone SE that I decided, you know what, I need to upgrade, because this is not gonna work for me, because I am like such a busy person. I work full-time, as what I keep saying. I work full-time and I also work part-time during the weekends, so I need the battery. Okay, so that's the main reason, you guys, but I'm gonna do like a separate video about it after this video, just to let you guys know. Alright, you guys, so my phone is done downloading. So it now says welcome to iPhone. Not gonna lie, I didn't expect that to be super duper time consuming. It took me about an hour before I could transfer all of my files from my iPhone SE. Oh my gosh, I'm not used to not having a home phone button. I keep pushing for the home button, but I keep forgetting that I don't have it. So that's gonna be an issue, but that is something that I am willing to work on. But anyway, so it does look like this. So all of the apps are still continuing to download, as you can see. I heard that the reason why this is so much pricier because of the 5G. Honestly, I don't think I'm that interested about the 5G. I mean, it's gonna help me a lot whenever I use my data and I have 5G available in the area, but our area here in London, we don't get really 5G here. But when we were in Toronto, my husband, he's a Samsung user, so his phone got 5G, so he said it was super fast, so he super liked it. But as for me, I haven't tried the 5G, so I'm not really that interested, but I guess it's nice. It's a nice feature for the new iPhone 12. And yeah, as what I've said, you guys, I don't know anything about the phone. I don't know a lot about the iPhone 12. So as soon as I get off this camera, I'm gonna do my research, and then after that, I'm probably gonna do like a comparison between the iPhone SE and the iPhone 12 that's like worth upgrading. And obviously it's gonna be a surprise for me as well, because I don't know if it's really worth upgrading. And to be honest with you guys, do I regret getting the iPhone SE at all? I probably am not, just because I love my phone. I love my iPhone SE, and it's really hard for me to separate with it, because I've gotten so used to it, because this is just like my old phone, which is the iPhone 6s, and I'm so used to this phone, especially with the home button. So I'm gonna miss that a lot, but it's time for me to move on and say goodbye to the home button. So yeah, hopefully I'm not gonna get stressed out with the battery life, as I've heard, of course, iPhone 12 has best battery life as of the moment. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and if you guys are interested, Just don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you'd get notified whenever I upload my comparison video of the iPhone SE and the iPhone 12. So that's all in this video, guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.